BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So we have another Windows update issue, and this time this issue actually personally affected me, and this is also according to several reports on Microsoft's forum and the feedback hub of Microsoft, where drivers are failing to install on Windows 11 with the error code 0x80070103. Now, if we just head over to Windows Update quickly on Windows 11, what happened to me personally, which is very similar to the reports I have actually read up on, is that yesterday I received, on my Windows Update page, after checking for updates, I received a long list of drivers that the operating system was trying to install. And when I clicked on download and install, every single driver failed to install and came up with that error code 0x80070103. Now, according to Microsoft, they are aware of this so-called update failure, where drivers are attempting to be installed and are failing. And according to Microsoft, this error, and I'm quoting this, Microsoft says the reason you see in the error and the drivers are failing to install is because the operating system is attempting to install drivers that have already been installed. And I did notice this in my case, and if I went to my update history after doing a bit of investigation after I experienced the issue and my drivers were failing to install, when I went to my past driver updates, I realized that there were a significant amount of drivers that I had previously installed that the operating system was trying to reinstall. So obviously it's a bug. And according to Microsoft, you should just ignore the errors. It's a issue that shouldn't impact your general usage, according to Microsoft, and you can carry on using your operating system as normal. And this is just a bug, and I actually recorded numerous videos and used my laptop on this channel to post videos yesterday with no issues, even though I had a whole list of drivers in my Windows Update that, according to the operating system, were failing to install. But as mentioned, Microsoft says this error message shouldn't impact your general usage. And although there is no official fix and workaround available at this stage by Microsoft, what I would personally suggest, if you are seeing a whole list of drivers that are failing to install with that error code, just ignore it. That's what I did. I tried once or twice. I restarted my device a couple of times. I still saw all the drivers. So what I did was just ignore it. And today, when I booted up my system, as you can see, everything is back to normal. And if we head back to my update history for my drivers, you'll see that everything is back to normal. The last driver that was successfully installed was on the 7th of February. So that's rectified itself automatically. And that's what I would suggest. Just wait, and the issue should rectify itself automatically. Or if it's not, try the Windows Update troubleshooter, or you can also pause your updates for a couple of days and then resume the updates and see if that rectifies the issue. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.